All right, just wanted to show a quick video on how to subtract where your number that you're subtracting from is going to be less than the number you're subtracting. So, well, in the place value, that is. So what I'd like to do is kind of illustrate this using some place value discs. So I just kind of drew out some discs here. And so this represents 200, so there's two hundreds, 110, and two ones. So 212, two hundreds, 110, and two 12s. That's what this number represents right there. These images represent this number. Okay, so let's think about this. I'm going to subtract 8 ones from 2 ones. Now here's the point I was trying, this is the reason why I wanted to make this video, is to try to illustrate how regrouping works. Okay, so if I'm going to take away 8 ones, well, I can't do that. What I have to do is take this 10 right here, this 10 needs to be brought over here now. So now I have 0 tens in the tens place. So let's label this hundreds, tens, and my ones place. So now I'm going to take this 10 and I'm going to say, well, now I have 10 ones over here. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 ones. Let me bring that up just a little bit so you can see it a little better. All right, so there's 10 ones included with the 2 ones that were already there. Now mathematically, this is what we do. We say, okay, now I have 0 tens there, and I have the tens go over here. Now I have 12 ones, which if you count, yeah, that's true. This is what I have. I have 12 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now that I have 12 ones, I can subtract 8 ones from this. So let's do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I know some of you are like, whoa, Mr. Ross, I already know that. We've been subtracting since day one. Again, the reason I'm doing this is just to try to reiterate this regrouping, what's going on when you're regrouping. And just trying to illustrate that, saying that, okay, I took this 110 that I had in the tens place, and I moved it over to the ones place, and that gave me 10 ones, along with those 2 ones that were already there. And so that's why there's 12 ones here. Okay, so now 12 minus 8, that should get me 4, and yeah, that's what I have, 4. I have 4 ones left. All right, and now I kind of run into the similar situation that I found myself in earlier in the ones place, here in the tens place, right? So let's label this so that we're making sure that we're all following along. Here's the tens place. I have 0 tens, and I'm going to subtract 110 from that. Well, I can do what I did similarly, what I did last time, similar to this. I can take one of the 100s, and how many tens are in a 100? Well, there's 10 of them, so I'm going to bring it over here now. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So 10 tens is 1 100, right? 10 times 10 is 100, or you can just count that out. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 100. So now I have 10 100s, and what I do here is I'm saying, okay, I took one of those 100s, so I took one of these 100s, which means I have only one 100 left. Sure enough, that's what this symbolizes right here, one 100 left. And I'm bringing over the 100s to the tens place from this right here that I took and brought over, and that got me 10 tens, right? There's 10 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here now I have shown that I have 10 tens, 10 in the tens place. 10 minus 110, let's mark that out, that should get me 9 tens, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Sure enough, there's my 9 tens, right? Yay! And then I have, well, just one 100 left. So what we can show here is that 212 minus 18 is 194, and we know that because, well, we had to do some regrouping, and we understood the regrouping because we showed that one of the tens had to go over here in the ones place, which left us with no tens. So when we subtracted in the tens place, when we got there, we had to go to the hundreds place and bring those over. All right.